I'm really excited to tell you guys that I have been selected as the top 30 for the NYX Face Awards Malaysia 2018. Yay! I have received a box of gifts from NYX and the sponsors of the awards. So these are the items that I received in the box. First of all, I got this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in 2 colors. I'm very excited to try out this one because I've seen it all over YouTube for the longest time already and I haven't had time to get my hands on this one, and now that I've received it, I can try it later. The next item that I received from NYX is the NYX Vivid Brights Liner in the Vivid Fire. I'm very excited for this one as well because I know that most of the people that do graphic liners and artistic kind of makeup use this product very heavily. Like everyone has it, but not me. The next item is this NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream. It's a metallic lip cream and I have never tried metallic lipstick before, and this is gonna be the first one for me. Moving on to the next item. This is the NYX Pigments in the color Pick 06. The next one is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Pure Gold. I'm pretty sure this is a very common product, but I haven't tried this before. I don't know why, and I'm really excited to try out this one. Moving on, this is the NYX Vivid Brights Cream Color. You can use this for any type of looks that you want. You can put it on your eyes, you can put it all over your face. I'm pretty sure it's a new product from NYX, and of course I can't wait to try out this one. And the item that I'm the most excited about is this NYX Glitter Primer. Is it Glitter Primer? Yes. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer Base Perfecture Brilliance. I have been looking for this all over the internet since last year. Finally, I received it from NYX. I'm so happy. Thank you, NYX. Oh, okay, basically what this does is it's gonna prime your eyelid or any surface that you want to put glitter on. Moving on, it's the product from one of the sponsors, which is Garnier. The Garnier Light Complete White Speed Yogurt Sleeping Mask. It's like a moisturizer but on the thicker side, so that it can create a barrier on your skin while you sleep and restore all the moisture and the hydration deep into your skin while you're sleeping, so that you don't have to do anything. Just slap this on before you sleep and it will do the job for you, I guess. I'm gonna have to try this out. The next one is this Garnier Light Complete White Speed Multi-Action Whitening Serum Cream. It's a moisturizer with SPF 19. I haven't tried this before, but I'm gonna try it out and probably leave a review on this channel later once I've tried it. Maybe, maybe not. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do a review on these products. And this is the Light Control White Speed Super Foam. It's a cleanser. It's a whitening cleanser. I've tried this one before, but unfortunately it doesn't really suit my skin well, so I stopped using it. But one of my good friends is a loyal, true believer in this one, and her skin is beautiful. It's like baby's butt. It's like one of the most beautiful skin I've ever seen on the planet Earth. Next, I'm quite excited for this one as well. It's the Garnier Sakura White Pinkish Radiance Essence Lotion. I'm very excited for this one. Supposedly it's for whitening, but we'll see what it's gonna do. The next item is this Light Complete White Speed Super Essence. It's a anti-spot whitening essence. It's for your dark spots, and it will, I believe, it will fade out the dark spots, which I have many on my face. And I've also received this 2 serum masks from Garnier as well in the Sakura White line. The next products that I've received are hair care from Redken. I've heard a lot about Redken before, but I haven't tried any of their products before. I don't really take good care of my hair. I know that's not good, but from now on, I'm gonna start taking care of my hair and I'm gonna do it right. with the products that Redken has sent to me. From what's written here, it has got ceramide and menthol in it. It's gonna be so refreshing. If something got menthol in it and you put it on your skin, it's so refreshing. It's gonna be really cooling and refreshing. I'm gonna have to try this out later. And another product from Redken is this No Blow Dry Just Right cream. I believe this is a styling cream. I'm someone who's wearing hijab. I hide my hair under a piece of cloth I call hijab, and I'm very proud of it, but that doesn't mean that I cannot style my hair at home. I mean, I've got lovely locks, okay? Even though I can't show it to you guys out there, I can feel pretty by myself. I can make myself feel good by making myself look good. So of course I'm gonna try this out later, and if you want to know my thoughts on this, just leave a comment down below. I might do a video about it later. And I'm very excited for this one. Lazada is also a sponsor for NYX Face Awards Malaysia 2018, and I'm really excited to go on browsing Lazada in the app. Make sure you download the app so that you can get through the purchase more easily. Like, you can scroll it while you're walking, while you're commuting to work, while waiting for your food at the restaurant, or while taking a shit in the toilet. You can do it anywhere you want. So just download the app. Make sure you download the app so that your purchase would be such a breeze. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you like this video or if you have anything to tell me, just don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you want so that you can see what look I'm gonna come up with for the next challenge. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.